Hello everyone. In today's video I will review the new top 5 Raleigh Motus Tour Plus easiest electric bike. Number 1. Raleigh Motus Tour Plus, the easiest electric bike to use. The Raleigh Motus Tour Plus is a versatile electric bike that is well suited for many different types of riders and riding conditions. It has many features, including powerful lights and an impressive Bosch motor system. If you are looking for an electric bike that you can use for commuting to work, running errands, or just going for a ride on a nice day, the Raleigh Motus Tour Plus is a great option. Although it weighs 27.4 kilograms, which is not light, the Motus Tour Plus is powerful and will easily get you up hills that would normally sap your energy. It is easy to adjust for a comfortable fit, and the Bosch Purion display gives you a clear overview of your speed, distance, and battery life. The battery is comparatively small at 400 Wh, but it can be removed for charging and lasted 30 miles in our test at a range of power levels and inclines. Overall, the Raleigh Motus Tour Plus boasts everything you could need for an everyday bike, including brilliant Bosch tech for a head-turning price. Number 2. Tern GSD S10. The best electric bike for heavy loads. The Tern GSD S10 is very expensive and heavy at 44.2 kilograms, but it is a genuine alternative to a car for short journeys. Its long rear frame is large and strong enough to carry heavy loads or even 2 small passengers up to a maximum of 200 kilograms. There is a huge range of accessories that can be added onto the bike. This bike has a powerful motor from Bosch called the Cargo Line, which makes it go up to 16 miles per hour quickly, even on steep hills. It also handles and brakes well, based on our testing. The Tern GSD S10 can fit 2 Bosch PowerPack batteries, but one should be enough for short trips to the shops or for taking the kids to school. A bright headlight, chain guard, and mudguard mean it's well suited to all weather conditions too. The Tern GSD S10 is the best cargo e-bike on the market, and worth the high price tag. It can handle any key specs, weight 44.2 kilograms, motor Bosch Cargo Line, range up to 70 miles, number of gears 10. Buy now from Treads. Number 3. Carrera Crossfuse, the best e-bike for longer commutes. The Crossfuse e-bike is perfect for commuting to and from the office with its 80-mile range, wide handlebars, front suspension, disc brakes, and 700cc wheels. Most people will only need to charge it once a week, as it can comfortably reach 70 miles even when using more than the lowest eco mode. The Crossfuse has a torque motor that ensures a much smoother ride in comparison to a regular bike. Most of the time you won't even notice the assistance you're getting from it. One downside is that it doesn't have integrated lights or a kickstand, but overall it's a great deal for the price, considering that you generally have to pay over £2,000 for a bike with as many features. Key specs, weight 23.9 kilograms, motor Bosch Active Line Plus, range up to 80 miles, number of gears 9. Number 4. Beatwind Tilt 500. The best folding electric bike under £1,000. The Beatwind Tilt 500 is a great value for the price. It has a lot of features for a budget bike, including mudguards, lights, and a kickstand. It's not as powerful as some of the more expensive folding e-bikes, but it's a great deal overall. The bike's electric motor provides different levels of assistance depending on which mode it is in. In eco mode, the motor shuts off at 17 kilometers per hour. In normal and sport modes, the motor shuts off at 22 kilometers per hour and 25 kilometers per hour, respectively. As you'd expect, the range also varies based on the mode, and those who stick in the highest level of assist at all times should be wary that the range is listed at only 12 miles, though we found that the Tilt 500 tended to actually outlast this, covering more like 15 minutes 20 miles in sport mode on one charge. Number 5. Raleigh Motus, a well-equipped commuter option from a familiar brand. Raleigh first launched the Motus range in 2019 and it has become the brand's best-selling electric bike. For 2022, the range has been revised and freshened up. The latest Motus models now include a Bosch Active Line motor. Bosch is a longtime pioneer of e-bike technology and is known for the reliability of its products. This motor, in combination with the matching however, the Motus is much more than a reliable motor to cater for as many types of riders as possible. Raleigh offers 3 frame designs, a conventional men's frame, and a choice of 2 low frame step-through configurations. However, the Motus is much more than a reliable motor. To cater for as many types of riders as possible, Raleigh offers 3 frame designs, a conventional men's frame, and a choice of 2 low frame step-through configurations. No matter what frame style you choose, you'll get a great package of accessories with your purchase: lights, mudguards, an integral lock, a rear rack, and a chain guard and kickstand. These are all extras that make the Motus a sensible everyday alternative to a car for short journeys. Key specs, weight 23 kilograms, motor Bosch Active Line, range 80 miles, number of gears 7.